right, press start. Press start again. All right. Press over. Press the one on the black button. Press over. No, this right here. Press that. And press up. Press up. And press A. Press the red button. Come on. There you go. Trying to teach how to say dang. I'm not teaching this child to curse. She's not cursing. And I know Truth the Gamer probably talking crap. Ran the TV with his local self. All right, press over. Come on. All right. Just keep. Say dang.
I won't eat.
Oh well.
One more round and then I'm eating.
All right, come on. Well, wait till your game be over then. Come on, please. Say dang. Come on, I'll do it. All right, play. I try to teach how to. Oh, you jumped over that Goomba.
Yeah.
All right, just keep going. No, go that way. All right, keep. Just press. All right, press jump and over. Yeah, this button. All right, keep going. Go, hurry up. All right, keep going. Hurry. Come on. Yes, you can. See?
Hey, what did I do? I want to get something to eat.
Well, wait. Play one more.
One more round.
Yeah, one more round. Go. Oh, you stepped on that Goomba game. Come on. Dang.
Hey. I win?
Nope, you lost. Game over. Game over, folks. She's still not a police. She have a lot of learning to do. Yes, she do.